Hi everyone, my name is Tumi. I'm so excited today to share my experience how I use the 7K medal. 7K medal was introduced to me by the 4% group platform where I will be able to be a member. You just pay as monthly subscription after you've made an annual fee. And then one of the core products that I'm receiving every month is the coin. Those are the coin that I'm receiving. These are the coin that I'm receiving from the 7K medal. And I'm so excited that when you make profit from the 7K, it does not matter whether you are in USA or you are outside USA. Right now, I've received my card here, which is a 7K card. I just hide it for security. This is the 7K card, Visa card. And then this card I can withdraw, I can swipe, I can pay anywhere on the world, even if I'm not staying in USA. And this is a good platform because I'm receiving a silver and gold on it, which is the real one. And then this is a very high class of coin. Thank you very much.